Okay, y'all, we in the shop today. I got a new impact wrench from Work Pro. We're gonna go ahead and take the pink seats out of my Fox and put them in my SN95. So let's get. But y'all, don't mind my shop. It is so extremely cluttered right now. Y'all know I like to stay busy, so I always got a project or two going at a time. But we gonna get it together one of these days, because eventually my car has to come back in here. So that means that all this stuff right here, we gotta make space for it. But yeah, let's get these seats out. Look at my girl. If you've been watching, you know we had some electrical issues. Still never got the window back up. Key still stuck in the ignition. But these seats gotta come out, because once I get her back together, she's gonna get some Prisma seats. So these can go in my SN95. But yeah, when I say like I have not touched her since we parked her over here, like she has not been touched. I hope it's no critters or nothing in here. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get these seats up out of there, wash them, give them some love, and they're gonna go in the pink car. Okay, yeah, we got one seat out. I'm gonna go in with my interior cleaner from Salty Captain, spray it down. Okay, y'all, we got one seat in. She's a little bit sideways because of the bracket, so we're gonna fix that. We're gonna get her straightened out. Y'all, I was gonna get the second seat out, but it was a snake underneath my car. You know, I mentioned I hope there's no critters in the car. They was under the car. So I'm hoping that, you know, it scurried off back into the woods, because I really want to get this done tonight. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this together, get this straightened out, and then we're gonna get that other seat out. Okay guys, we back the next day. Last night I only got one seat in the car because it was a snake underneath my car. I don't play with no snakes. So today we're gonna get the other wheel out. Oh, not the other wheel, the other chair out. And then we're gonna do a couple of other things just to bring her all together. But so far, this is how she's looking. Super cutesy. I did put a Barbie blanket on the back seat. I might change it out for like a Sanrio Hello Kitty blanket. I don't know yet, but yeah. Okay, y'all, we got both seats in. She's super cute. I might do that today. Get some paint just so I can paint the dash all black. I know I need a new plastic thing right here because it's cracked up. I want to get that together, and then this, gotta get that together. But so far she is coming together.